G'day guys, we're back here on our Moffat Beach project. It's actually just getting close to 2 o'clock in the afternoon here at the moment. Late in the day, I've actually come up here, I cancelled a few meetings this afternoon. I've come up to give the guys a hand to pour concrete. So look, I sound like a broken record at the moment on all these videos, I know, but I can't stress just what a crazy, hectic year it's been. It's really just wearing everybody out, and just every day is a constant battle at the moment. We got shortages with materials, trying to get concrete. When you can't, like you book your concrete, you try and get a concrete pump, then you got to try and get concrete. It's just, and that's just one of the things. And then we're trying to manage and handle so many trades. We're getting delays on deliveries, materials, all those types of things, which is happening on every builder's job, which means we have trades booked in, things don't show up, we've got to reschedule things, which doesn't just affect our job, it affects every job that our contractors and suppliers are working on. So it's actually wearing me out at the moment. I can't wait to have my Christmas break. But anyway, we'll get into this one here. The boys, as usual, are doing an incredible job. Like they've got everything boxed up here ready to go. So what we're doing today is we're going to pour our plinth. We've got a off-form concrete plinth for the base of our letterbox structure. We've got an off-form concrete landing at the bottom of our entry stairs here. So this job is really getting to the pointy end. We've actually got massive delays here. We had issues with our power connection, which you would have seen on our other jobs as well in our other videos, but basically Energex turned up here. They couldn't get their ladder in the right position. It was 200 millimeters out. Caused all types of issues, which meant we couldn't finish off our internal fit outs and our commissioning. So Sparky's been back on site, we've redone the power connection, and hopefully Energex is going to be back on site in the next few days or the next week. So in the meantime, we're just smashing out everything we can. We're in the backyard, we're going to pour our external patio slab today. The boys are actually getting stuck into the landscaping, so they got all of our fence posts in. We've finished some more work on our concrete sleeper retaining wall. And the fence on this one, again, it's like everything on this job, it's so detailed. So we're not just slapping up a treated pine paling fence. It's all hardwood, it's all arras, it's all dressed, it's all painted. And then we've got a detailed batten layout going over there with a lot of 42 by 19, which is, yeah, the boys have given everything 2 coats, and then next week they'll start installing all those battens. The front stairs on this job are going to be a work of art. It's not just like a normal set of stairs, you put your steel stringers in and bolt your treads on. It's all individual pieces of timber, so we'll show you a shot of the stringers and all the little holes. Everything's got to be fixed from the underside, so it's all concealed fixings. So look, we are getting to the pointy end, but this job, like seriously, from right at the beginning, right to the very end, is just nothing but detail. So we're nearly there, we're on the home stretch, and I can't wait to show you the finished product. Brad, the lead chippy on this job, has just done an absolutely incredible job. My supervisor, my wife in the office, or Sharon in the office, the entire team, like everybody is just kicking goals, especially when you throw in the mix that we're dealing with so many other outside influences at the moment, and everybody's under so much pressure from being just such a massive year. So yeah, can't wait to bring it home strong, and yeah, really looking forward to our Christmas do, and shouting our whole team, our subbies, our boys, and just showing them how much we really appreciate all the work they've put in for us this year.